This model kit review is of the Porsche 935 Turbo, and here we have the dimensions. It's a 1/24 scale model by Gunze Sangyo, and I'm expecting this to be a very good quality model kit. Got some nice box art showing some of the photos of the finished model, and I guess that was the colors needed. Let's have a look inside here. So first of all, here's our main body. Looks like we do have some little mold lines, but otherwise fair amount of detail. Looks like those areas fused together, and we'll have to have those, we'll saw those out. Unfortunately, it also looks like it's cracked, and this is probably from shipping. You can see the areas where it's cracked there. That'll need to be glued, and this will need to get straightened out. Here's our chassis. This one is made to take batteries and have a switch. So let's have a look here. We have a lot of little pieces here, including rubber wheels. They're still in very good condition, and then they've got that typical matte appearance like they've been running. We have the rear wheels here. Wow. Here's our rear axle with the gear, and then we've got lots of little connectors. Got some screws, some brass tubing there, and gears. Here we have our windshield and decals. Get this thing open. So fairly well molded, a little bit scratched up. Need some polishing. We have a spare piece that's come off here. There's the other one. And here are our decals, nicely printed, good level of detail. And let's have a look at these last few screws. We have some very nice wheels, good detail, roll bar. We've got our air intake, steering wheel, and some other frame components, including the steering wheel, steering assembly. Here's our instrument panel and dashboard. Some other parts to build on, don't know what those are for, we'll have a look. Here's our cockpit and seat, and looks like other part of our roll bar here. And I'm going to put all these pieces here so we don't lose them. And let's have a look at our instructions. So here is the decal and painting guide. And those are the different options there. So there was no motor included here. Here we start with the front wheels being built, then the rear wheels being built, then putting together the switch, as well as some of the electronics and the motor, depending on which motor you're going to use. And then the battery plates. Start to build the windows, and parts of the body. There's the cockpit being assembled, as well as the body parts. Then those are put together, and those are then put onto the chassis. Here it shows the parts listing. So all in all, not a lot of detail for this model, but it should be a good build. Some nice decals, and should end up with a nice looking model on the end, although the details won't be there.